Something happened. I think we lost power. Maybe the tip got clogged. Nothing's coming out. I think there might be an issue with my tip. So I'm gonna take the tip off. See if I get paint coming out. I think something might have just happened to the tip. No? Nothing's coming out of the gun. Yeah, we got pressure. Don't know. This has never happened to me before. Yeah. Whoa! What the hell?
You get shocked?
No, I just felt like a pressure surge through the hose.
I bet there's something stuck in
There's something in the hose.
There's either something stuck in the gun or the hose.
Yeah, there's.
One of them chunks you were talking about.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Let's see. We gotta do some troubleshooting here. So I guess the first thing I thought was I lost power, but I turned the pressure up a little bit, and it cycled, so I knew I had power. And I knew I had pressure at the pump because I got a gauge right there, and it was at, you know, like 1800 psi. So I knew I had pressure, I knew I had power, but I didn't have paint coming out here. So a little bit of troubleshooting. We're gonna see if we're back in business. So just ran into a little problem. Whip got clogged, but if the door dried right there, I wouldn't want to start right in the middle again and move down the line. I'd want to just start from the end and continue going again, but it was still wet. We continued on where we were going. It spit a little bit in the middle when everything shut down, but because of the grain on the metal right there, you won't see that spit at all. You'll want to just check your edges, make sure everything got covered. It got covered 100%. Otherwise, you could go around the perimeter one more time, but covered 100%. Just choose a speed that's going to, get everything covered 100% in one pass, so you don't have to come back, redo it again. Now I'm going to raise this garage door and allow it to dry up.